Hi there. I got a reader's question about converter plugs and if you should bring a converter plug when you visit the Philippines. Now this is going to be a fun video because I'm a non-technical girl and I'm going to tell you something about Filipino electricity, wall sockets and plugs. So yeah, right, let's get started. I did bring converter plugs. As a matter of fact, I brought a whole stack. I'm going to show you. I brought a whole lot of these and I shouldn't have. Why not? Because most of my hotel rooms had wall sockets that looked like this. Now, I don't know about how the plugs in your country are and what they look like, but when I look for a Dutch plug, there's a whole lot of electricity stuff laying there and I can grab whatever I need. If your plugs in your country look like this, like they do in Europe, this is a non-grounded plug by the way, then that easily fits in this, no problem, as you can see. So I shouldn't have brought converter plugs. Traveling with a backpack and having a small space for the stuff I carry around, I could have saved on some inches in my backpack. Now, Filipino plugs usually look like this. They also fit in this one. That's why you find them in the hotels. I mean, works fine. Now, there are other kinds, and I haven't seen them, but I bought I don't know what you call them, but that's this. Now, these all the types of plugs you can expect to get in the Philippines. I guess there are also wall sockets that can look like this, and I have no idea what kind of plugs you can fit in there and which you can't, but my guess is that almost every plug in the world fits in this. On the other end, there's this Filipino style plug, which is grounded by the way, but I have never seen a grounded wall socket in the Philippines yet. You can buy this at any handyman store or any grocery store, supermarket. So actually, if you forgot about your converter plug, don't worry. You can get them here and they're much cheaper than they are in Europe. I paid for the little stack of my converter plugs around 10 to 15 euros. And here I can buy one converter plug for 49 pesos, which is less than €1. The one I showed you, the big one with all the, this one, that actually is not a real converter plug, but they do have converter plugs here, as I show you on my website, livingholland.com, where I give you also a little bit more information about brownouts in the Philippines and the power that comes from the wall sockets, which is actually 220 V. So if you want to read more about this subject, visit my website livingholland.com and you get as a bonus a link to a website that shows you all the wall sockets and plugs in the world. So you can look up yours and you can check if it would fit in the Philippines. And it gives you photos of the plugs I told you about of 47 or 49 pesos. Well, that's my video on electricity and wall sockets in the Philippines. The only thing I can say, if you forgot your converter plug or you can't find it or you're not sure which one to buy, don't bother. Most hotels will have wall sockets that fit almost any plug brought from Europe. Unless you have a grounded plug, then you're in a serious problem because they usually have that third pin and I have no idea where to put that third pin. So make sure you bring non-grounded plugs with you. That's the best advice I can give you. And otherwise, just hop in a handyman store or a supermarket and ask for a converter plug. There are plenty available in this country. Thank you for watching, and don't laugh because this was a non-technical girl on a technical subject. Visit the website livingholland.com and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.